This is the pilot programme and we're working together with Bucks Skills Hub. What we're really trying to achieve is getting work experience placements for those young people that wouldn't otherwise get those placements.
Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire are seen as affluent areas, and yet there's the intergenerational worklessness, so their parents have not been in work. So where do they get that kind of spark, that appetite of what they want to be able to do?
If they don't get those placements and they don't get the experience of the workplace, then we're not going to help raise their aspirations and their motivation.
The number one problem we have as an industry by far is resource and labour, and we've all been in the industry a long time and we're all getting older, and if young people don't come into it, it falls apart.
Hello. The bricklaying, that's my favourite one. Oh, the VR's pretty good. I also really liked the line painting, amazing.
I rather liked hearing other people's stories and how they got here. It helps inspire other people to continue on their path or perhaps switch paths if they want to.
Well, I knew this would be a great opportunity for them to get hands-on experience. I think this sort of thing is exactly what is needed. Students don't know what jobs are all about, and this gives them the opportunity to find out, and also to find out the route they need to go in order to achieve something.
I think if employers can come in and give teachers and students the opportunity to talk about what they're doing, but also for academics to talk to us, to co-design that curriculum that belongs to everybody, and so we build it together. And so it's a really good opportunity.
And the fact is, you don't get many experiences like this, so it's important to seize it whilst I do. Experiences like this are worth their weight in gold.
And I think every company should actually be looking at schools and getting involved with schools and thinking about how they can show what they do and how they can go out there and talk to them. So people helped me at the beginning. I now want to give back to the next generation.
I feel like it might open some people's mind what they want to do in life. It was really fun.
It's really insightful and explorative to see it in real life and actually interact with other people.
And I think even if one kid decides they want to do this, it was all worth it.
We have to inspire the next generation. We have to tell them it will be hard, but you'll be fine. You will be fine, but you just have to find your path in your journey.